Hello guys and welcome back to AppWiz. If you're using Instagram and ever wondered how to check changes made to your account, like updates to your profile or settings, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to view your Instagram account history. It's quick, easy, and works on the latest version of the app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Once you've confirmed that, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Now, tap the 3 white lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select your activity. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Account History. Here you'll be able to see your complete Instagram account history. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.